The iPhone 17 Pro is going to be the best iPhone in years. Okay, that may be a little bit dramatic, but from the latest leaks and rumors, it's looking like a great phone. We're going to talk about design changes, camera updates, speed, battery life, the release date. Starting with the design, the iPhone 17 Pro will still have that Apple DNA. However, the camera module will be a little bit more horizontal and not as square as we've seen it in the past. Notable iPhone case maker Dbrand has accidentally leaked a render of one of their cases, and in it you can see that the camera module looks a lot different and more horizontal, very similar to the Pixel 9. Moving on to the materials, the iPhone 17 Pro is actually rumored to feature an aluminum design. That means Apple is going to be taking a step back from titanium, but it will have a cutout for glass, which makes wireless charging possible. So if you're worried about your MagSafe accessories becoming obsolete, you don't have to worry too much, you can breathe. Having the iPhone made out of aluminum will mean that the 17 Pro will be much lighter and will dissipate less heat, meaning the battery and performance will be way better. Color-wise, there's a leak from Macworld that claims that the colors are going to be black, white, gray, dark blue, and orange. I'm really excited that there's some kind of color in the Pro lineup because I think that it currently looks really bland. Now, going back to the camera update on the iPhone 17 Pro, the iPhone 17 is rumored to have a camera update that changes things dramatically. The 17 Pro and Pro Max will apparently have a 48 megapixel ultra wide lens and a 12 megapixel zoom lens. But there's also a rumor that is suggesting that it's going to have an 8x telephoto lens. That is insane. The latest leaks also say that the front facing cameras will be up to 24 megapixels from 12 megapixels. So all you selfie lovers will rejoice. The iPhone 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max will also feature the A19 chip. There's not going to be an M series chip here. Apple will be sticking with the A series lineup, which is more than fast enough to do every single day-to-day task. Personally speaking, I'm not probably going to notice a difference, and a lot of people won't, especially when comparing it to iPhones a couple years older. But the good thing is it will have longevity because they're using the newer chip, so it'll get future software updates a lot longer. Regarding storage, the newer iPhone 17 Pros that are coming out will have the same storage ladders as the previous iPhones. Let's talk about battery, and this is something that I am really excited about. I personally think that battery life on the 16 Pro and the regular 16 suck. Hard to get through a regular day. But if rumors are to be believed, the 17 Pro Max could actually come with a battery that's up to 5,000 milliamps per hour, meaning we're gonna see some real battery life improvements. And the craziest thing about that is that if that is true, it'll be the largest battery that Apple has put in any of their iPhones. And it should have roughly about 35 hours of usage. So when can we expect the iPhone 17 Pro to come out? Obviously, the iPhone 17 Pro will come out in September 2025. Apple historically has gone with the September launch, but if we were to narrow down dates, it's most likely going to be mid-September because the latest leaks and rumors are stating that the Apple event that will announce the newer iPhones will be on September 9th. Now, the million-dollar question is, will the new tariffs have an impact on the iPhone's price? All leaks and rumors, unfortunately, are pointing to the answer of yes. It will indeed have a price increase, but of $50. So what do you think about the iPhone 17 Pro? Do you plan to upgrade or will this be a skip? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're there, make sure to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.